Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect IC markets to MT5, MetaTrader 5. And for this, the first thing that we will do is click here on open new demo account. Select right here raw spread or standard account. It doesn't matter for me right now. Select here the currency, so US dollar is fine. Select here your leverage that you want to use, so 1 to 30 is fine for me. And then right here, select the amount of initial deposit that you want to use. Then we click here on proceed. And then right now, if you can see right there, or sorry, if you refresh this page, you will find right there our account. Then what we need to do now is we go right here to downloads. Select right here MetaTrader 5 and then click on download MT5. And then right now we click right here on the EXE setup. Then we do yes, then we do next. And now he is downloading from here. Until he's downloading or while he is downloading, we click here on accounts because we need this later for finishing or download. So right now he is still downloading. And there we are. So now we click here on finish. And then he will automatically open the MT5 right there. So now we click here on next. And now we click here on connect with an existing trade account. Now we go back to our trading platform, and now we use this as our username or login. So we paste it right there, and now we go back and then we click right here on password, and now we select this right there, and then we go back, and then from here we paste it right there. And now if we click right here on finish, we just logged into our MetaTrader 5 with our demo account. So this is how you can connect your IC markets to MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.